Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am just going to give you a glowing summer makeup because I feel like we glow in summer because we're sweating. And any of us that have any type of oil are like, ah, here it comes. So I feel very appropriate because it's about 80 degrees in my house right now with a humidity rate of 200%. Do I sound like a weather person? I don't know. We're supposed to get thunderstorms today and reach 90. So for Seattle, that's a really humid day. And I have a dry skin and I am already oily. So there you go. But I was sent Be Glowing's Illuminate and Shine palette, and thank you Be Glowing so much for sending this to me. So I thought I'm going to incorporate this, get it, glowing makeup, be glowing. I know. So this is for everyone really, but Be Glowing makeup is age embracing makeup. So the creator of this decided, you know what, I'm going to make something for women over 40 that is still cute and current and fun because, well, I won't say anything. But I'm tired of being told I shouldn't highlight, I shouldn't shimmer, I shouldn't do whatever. And I think people are catching on. I think people are now realizing that for women of a more mature, sorry, that's weird, of a more mature demographic, that actually having highlighter and glowing, I don't want to say frosted shadows, but shadows that have a satin, have a shimmer to them, are better than just mattes. So we can do more than you think. Anyway, all right, shut up, Rebecca. Okay, so here is the palette. How cute is this? It is shadows, it is a highlighter, and it's a concealer slash shadow primer. So what I love about this, check this out. Look at this little, and it's in this case that zips in this gorgeous little dusty pink. Hi. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just really excited. I can't. Okay, there we go. So this is the light palette, and there is your cream highlighter, and there is your cream primer slash under eye brightener. And then of course you've got shadows. Let's swatch these shadows. So that is a matte. Ooh, the colors are on the little slip thing, which is so gonna get lost for me. I'm sorry, they always do. So that first one is called Ethereal. This is called Ella, which is your beautiful champagne shimmer. Halcyon is like a taupe silvery shimmer. Oh, Baroque is a gorgeous plum. So that was the matte one, and the rest of these are metallic, kind of shimmery shades. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then look at this one. Silhouette is a beautiful brown, kind of a saddle. That's called Cashmere, and it's more of a gold metallic. And then this one is your cocoa kind of brown metallic, and then this is your gilded bronze. Gilded bronze, is that redundant? I don't know. So there you go. I just think these are beautiful neutrals. Let's check out this, your cream, you know, what do you call it? Concealer slash primer. And then this is the highlighter. This is the cream highlighter. It looks very subtle, but it does, so that's where I put it. It does have, it's shimmery, it's glowy without sparkle. Excellent. So Be Glowing has their own website. They are an online retailer, and I guess they carry other brands too. So check them out. I'll link it below. All right, I'm gonna go. You know, I haven't tried this Becca Evermatte Poreless primer in a long time, but I feel like I might want it. I'm gonna zoom in too. Okay, let's go right here. If I remember right, this primer is like kind of Teflon pore filling. I'm going kind of old school with my L'Oreal Pro Glow. I'm using shade 203. I'm putting this on the back of my hand. I have had good luck with infallible L'Oreal foundations in the past. And yeah, and I'm applying with a dampened beauty blender. I apologize that when sometimes I do makeup and I don't specify that it is dampened. I definitely dampen my beauty sponge. I said blender, it's not a beauty blender, it's an Eco Tools beauty sponge. Just wetting it first helps the absorption, application of the product. But there are people who use it, and makeup artists who use it dry or use it dry for different techniques. So there is no rule, but just know that my preference is using it dampened. But when I say that, I mean like I saturate it and then I squeeze the crap out of it with a towel. So you're just sort of left with, you know, it's damp, it's not dripping. I thought I would explain that because I've never really gone into detail, and some of you have left questions like, oh, I'm new at this and am I supposed to dampen my beauty sponge? And yes. Let's try the concealer that's in here. I'm going to use the end of my Doll 10 brush. I should say the shorter end. And I'm going to go in the crease, the darkened corner, and extend over my lid up to my eyebrow. There we go. It's kind of nice having a product that you can put. I have such dark inner corners that using a primer slash concealer sort of all over the place is really handy. I am going to go over the top with that white, well, it's not white, the ethereal shade. Can use the little mirror in here. Let me get out, I've got my Becca Golden Hour powder because I just thought that would look really pretty. Okay, now next I'm going to use this little guy right here. It just looks so pretty. Silhouette. I'm going to do that all over my lid. I am taking a flat brush and I am dipping into the shade. What is this shade? Ooh, that lays down nicely. What do you guys think of this? Making sure I don't transfer to the top lid. And doing this on the other side. I'm going to try my finger on my other lid. Oh wow, yeah. So setting spray on a brush is great, and finger directly applied is great too. I'm going to go into Baroque. Okay, you guys, these shadows are creamy. actually going to go under my eyebrow with Ella. I'm actually going to try this cream highlighter. It says the best way to use it is with your fingers down the bridge of your nose. Yes, cute. Cute. I am going to pop on my eyebrows and my mascara off camera, and I'll come back and do lips just for the sake of time. So I've applied this BU lip liner. I think the shade is 565. It doesn't have an actual color. And then I'm putting over that Prismatic Peach from Millani in their new Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper. Okay, I feel glowing in a good way. So there you have it. I am fully glowing. I don't think this is gonna melt away. I think this is pretty good. With the shadow primer underneath, the infallible foundation, I think I am set. So I can be like shiny, dewy looking, but without melting. That is the goal. And here again is that really cute palette from Be Glowing. Again, not sponsored. Just think it's really awesome. Thanks guys for sending this to me. And of course, it's perfect for travel, going in your purse. Look how cute that is. And then the palette, they said, is or you can pop it out when you're all done with it if you just want to use this for something else. So, alrighty guys. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell, and then you don't miss a post from me. And give me a thumbs up if you will, and I will see you next time. Bye.